Oh yeah, I'm a wires. How's it there? Come out shenanigans. We yet again. Good podcast here too. Today we have a lovely guest. The Friday, but don't remember not to overindulge, never fail to. Mindfulness, please. So our main host ain't here today, which is Mr. White, but I'll be taking over the driver's seat namhlanje to interview one of our cutest and most she looks scrumptious actually. I'm told. Ngathi ngomfaka ku two slide just bite her off. I'm told. Yeah, so I'm a wires. We here today for the Wire podcast. Let me introduce our guest to us. Please welcome Hot Lady Buhle.
Hello guys, eshidaziwa ngiliwama se. Yeah, imuhle guys. Yeah. Hot lady. Yeah.
The actions. The actions on the eyes. Yazakalani Buhle. Ukrandi girl. Sharp. All the way from TK. Was blessing a present yakho. Hey, how's the journey from TK to here? Ngonile you had a lady driver futhi we Paultini.
Besithula indlela yokusalayo.
Sithulile. Mama, ukele ngathulingana nani mos driver loya lapha ya.
Sithulile.
Azange nibuza ama questions nothing. Just got in the car nje.
Sambulisa.
And then weza la. And then maniza lana maseyizongena, what did you guys have in mind? Benicabangani vele?
Ngithi manje sakidnap no.
Bawusho vele ukuthi ngakidnap.
Ngithi manje ukuphikithi mangala.
So what measures did you take mawuza la? Did you tell someone ukuthi uyeza for podcast?
Ngitshela baba ngitshela mama.
Good. That's That's very perfect. Yeah. Yeah, because we need to take precautionary measures, especially now when we know
Yeah.
Cool. So Ubuhle is an influencer. Hey, that's what you wrote on your bio. Ubuhle is an influencer. Ubuhle is an MC. Nice. So you do like host my event by name available, and then they call you to what kind of events?
I'm an event obviously groove.
Grooving.
Yeah.
Like I'm a pen town, so good like a pen town. Into that.
Yeah.
And then you MC. Nice. I'd love to see you on stage. Share my into zakho lapha ya. Okay. So Buhle, just tell me about yourself nje ukuthi Buhle udume ngani? Ngingasho whatever is on the bio. Ungitshele ukuthi udume ngani.
Mina ne. Yeah, mina ngubuhle guys. Dume ukuphaka ngiyaziphaphela. Ngiyabona masina. Yeah. Ngiyajiva. MC, wabo. Yeah.
Buhle yajiva, she's an MC. So are you a good dancer? You'd like to think so. That's good. Yeah, very umuntu good. They never say themselves ukuthi they are good. Yeah, and you also brought your cousin brother with you, Karabo. Yeah, that's a good precautionary measure now, So I'm sharing, like, are you still in school? Doing G10.
Yeah.
Nice. So how do you balance school na later is well? The influencer,
makru. How long is it? We'll be discussing. Yeah.
So you manage your time in right here, nani? Agenze ukuthi imali uzithola nepapalazi. Uyayilokithi ikhanda lokulingaka uye. Yo, fela khona. Okay, so that's how you balance your, can we call it umsebenzi wakho? Yeah, because you balance umsebenzi wakho nescale. Nice. Okay, so yiphi lesino ke wayifunda just from creating content? Yini into ebhede ke yenzeka, or maybe some nasty comments oke wazithola, something like that?
No, hi.
Abazithola ama comments.
Hayi, abhera.
Nix. So much itahlala thi, sexy. There's a picture you posted lapha ugobile ngathi uyatwerk. Were you twerking on that picture?
Maybe a trend,
It was a trend.
Yes.
Maybe it's a trend. Okay. Nice. So hippie moment again most surprising to you. Let's say a stage or comments or wherever, because you're big on social media. I've seen your numbers. You have huge numbers on social media. Mangane. Let me check. No ways. I've seen your numbers. You have 7.8 followers. Do you know how many followers I have, Min? 1K.
Bad.
Very bad.
Yeah.
I have 1K followers. When una 7.8 uthi mancane. And pe ukuthi wena ulandela abantu abangaka abayi 273. Maka ulandela abantu abayi 7.8.
Ngenzeke.
Mancane
Abanye
vele.
bangiyiko role model yabo.
Oh.
What?
Ati she's a role model. Actually, that's one of the reasons why I brought her here. Young Tol. I figured Guti she might be an inspiration to these young girls. Young Tol, maybe Kaslaki, maybe like Sprayed, maybe Foslo, maybe so on. Young Tol, whoever because we have wires watching from all over the country. Young Tol, because it's on YouTube.
Yeah.
So you might be an influence to someone. Young Tol, that's how. Why can't I do these things as inside? Young Tol. Yeah, so that's why I asked you to come over. So that now we Young Tol, try to motivate abanye abantwana ukuthi maniyenzeka lento, you can balance school and balance. Mara ngoni reaction kaKarawo lapha ngathi he's disagreeing, yeah? Ushithi mfana ngeke motivate. She can.
Yeah, she can.
You think so? You look so tactful, my friend.
Maybe Shinangen, we can also ask. Yeah, does she think inspirational?
Are you? Do you think you're inspirational?
Obvious.
Like how do you think you inspire abantwana, like your age mates and people coming from emva kwakho, like cabanga ukuthi ba inspire kanjani maybe?
I think a confidence, I want to not the confidence. Yeah.
So confidence yasebenza
I will
yeah. Is it not you know what they call false confidence?
False confidence.
Yeah, is it not false confidence? Sometimes khona abantu, like when they are scared or when they are anxious, they kind of like baba out there, because they are anxious. That's how they avoid their anxiety, or that's how they overcome their anxiety. Don't you think it's that, or naturally vele since ukhula vele wena ulo muntu lo uyaziphaphela? Bathina bafana. Bathina my boys.
Baningi abangifunayo. Otherwise angeke bangithole yabo.
Ngeke bakuthola. Uthola kanjani lawo bakhetha uwe?
Manje sengishadile yabo.
Hayibo, kanti awuna 17 wena.
Phela umshado awunge-age yebathu.
Mawuthi ushadile, is it customary or a home affair?
Yazana guys, angishadanga ngiyajola yabo. Ngigone.
Oh, you are taken.
I'm
Taken and gone.
Yes.
Hey. Yazi kunale post eke wayiposta. Hey. Ukhuluma ngesizini lengenayo. Hey. Yazi lo. That's why ngimuza ukuthi who watches ama post wakho, and you said it's your mom, ne? Before the show I asked. Abantu bakini bayibheka. Like bathini mawuthi manje sekuyisizini yokufaka icebi without iphenti. Obona indlebe azihlebele. Like what do you mean by that? Yeah?
Ayibo guys, okay, wazani ngichaza.
Awuchaze, explain yourself.
Guys, leya post it's just a post yabo. Like guys, yo. Now leyo. Ukhiphe ezinye.
Izindlebe indlebe sihlebe ngoba mina ngazi indlebe ezinye.
Nami ngiyishare ngayo, yabo.
Yazama ushare le.
Understand.
Lebhaliwe it's not shared.
Yo, okay, ke.
Izindlebe indlebe ukhuluma ngifuna understand mina like
Wena bacabanga izinto.
since ngikhona nazi indlebe engizazi. Maka ngiyazibuza lezi esiphakathi kwesiqephi esinganaphenti indlebe ezinjani.
Guys, you are ahle. That's respecting yabo.
So respectable. This is a podcast. Podcast is a synonym for freedom of speech.
Yo, guys. Like, okay, I was on the class. Yeah, I need to get a word and a more to yeah, man. Okay. Yeah, this is in the room. This funny and stuff.
And Father Pin.
I guess she's okay. So yeah, let's go in again. In back as Mara.
Okay, there's a Google.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is Clebele Masingo.
Wow.
Hey, them done usile, man. Usile. Yo, so this is how you influence. Yeah? Okay. Is there anything opposing you manje? Currently, yeah. Is there anything opposing you maybe sponsor maybe yeah. Is there something upcoming on the inside?
Only event you guys. Yeah. Then 1 November.
1 November.
Yeah.
Okay.
October Stadium, guys. Funk Fest, Abalandi.
Oh, yes. I think I saw it on your post. Funk Fest.
Yes. Yeah, Abalandi.
Balandi.
Yeah, MC.
We MC Lapaya. Oh, nice. I think we should come through. Yeah. We should come through and see. Yeah. And then, who inspires you to do this thing you do? Like, Uma celebrities, let's say Uma celebrity, people that are well known, who inspires you?
Okay, Kamumpela, guys.
Kamumpela.
Yeah.
Now inspire me. But
But
Kamumpela too, no, man. Ah, she's quiet. Oh, she's in the kitchen.
Something is coming.
Ushanje? Because the last thing I heard, Yaka Kamumpela, Kamujo.
Ipati.
Ipati, man.
Chai, Ipati.
Maybe I'm
okay, 1 2.
Yes.
Salaphi.
Hey.
Ngihlale pose yazazi.
Athi nesimamela ama-private school phela asizazi ama-commercial. Okay. So that's what's upcoming manje,
Yeah.
Funk Fest, which is on the 1st of November. Uzobe uyi-MC da. Beze ngokuningi name. Mawayas, did you hear that? Funk Fest on the 1st of November is Semtuli Stadium, which is at Thokoza, ne? Yeah, so she'll be an MC laphayana. Amakhula box again.
Yeah, obvious.
Amakhula box again ngemali. Aren't you underage for drinking, my friend? You are underage. You are underage.
I know.
Yeah, why? Peer pressure. Ngacambela abanye abantwana manga.
Guys, sonke siyabuhlaba nini?
Yeah, sonke siyabuhlaba but ndamahappy. Liyatshe yilahle ne. Okay. Chakol base kwefoil.
Injalo.
Nedate ne. Ukushayisa ngabazali kahle.
Mina bengikhala ukubuza of all the things ozimentionile ku bio yakhe. Which one does she do best and if you enjoy phezu kwazo? If you have to choose to work on, focus on one.
So between influencing, MCing, and dancing, which one do you think? Which one bilema uyenza time ceases to exist?
When you MC guys, I'm MC.
By Sloan.
No.
Wow. You know the main host of the show, ne? He's also an MC. He's a good MC. I think you guys can get along very well. When and I, yeah, he can be your mentor. And I'm thinking now he can learn a thing or two from you. Since I can also learn a thing or two from you. So ama-collabo who besides Kamumpelo, Kaslako, ubani ongathanda collaborate naye maybe umuntu ochazayo. Let's say Spray mhlambe akhona ama-influencer khona lamajita lawa man naleza konje ikhuluma kanjani lentwana le bathi bani ma-Kellogg's uyamazi Oh, uyamazi.
Bananimeni.
Uyamazi. Umazi umaKellogg's, umazi kanjani?
Like, yabona njalo.
Because mina khona istory engisaziyo.
Kwamela
Khona istory engisaziyo.
Ish. Yo, Kellogg's, guys. Imazi nguKabelo.
Kabelo Chef Swenko. Yavela indaba.
Yeah.
Benimuphi?
Ish. Besise lokho kukhayina.
Auckland Park. Yes. Izalazo ke, izalazo. That's how I was going. Ngifuna leyo ndaba.
Okay, same day ne. Siyenza izinto zomusic vele yabo.
Yeah.
Since ni MC vele.
Ngizobani wena?
Ayithi Kabelo, ngazi Kabelo.
Oh, uyobusy.
Then okay, ngaya from there vele yabo. Ngithawa Kellogg's, yabo
Sharpshooter, yeah.
Yabo Thapelo.
So umazi kanjalo Kellogg's. Kwenzakalani la?
Kuzoyenzakalani? Besishaye inamba nje yabolisha.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was it. Oh, do you also sing?
Freestyle.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, freestyle.
Yeah.
His way beats le piano. Nice. Neskitong. Oh, I safa iskitong. Ay. Should skitong tisemong.
We.
Yo. Okay, anyakubona ufuna ukungena kule ndaba yaseOakland Park thinga ukuyekela.
Yo.
But hey, deep ne? Deep le ndaba.
Okay, uzame ngixoxe.
Yeah.
So angidibene uKabelo yabo intwana kaBelo. Yeah. Mina ngazi yena ngithi vele.
Yeah.
There was this time ngiyabona sipolile sibukela movie liyasha khala music yabo. Yeah. Then Esho Kellogg's, guys, le ndaba. Uzongibuyela uKellogg's. Okay. So Kellogg's ne mina naye sadumisa.
Oh,
Mina ngibona ngakhona yabo.
okay.
Yeah, because ngile ngayenza live nefone yami yethangisa Auckland Park. Well, then sisiyaxabana manje sixabanisa intenyana nje encane yabo.
Enyana incane, into encane. Cabanisa into encane.
Mara kusinde encane khona.
Ayikho incane.
Esho wazangixoxele.
Into encane, into enjani?
Like Kellogg's ne.
Okay,
mina ngazi uKabelo la.
Yeah.
So
were you the only girl lapha?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Bekangishela yabo. Angitshela like khona the time hostel yabo. You fill up then some team that will Kellogg's on Facebook.
Yeah.
Azange aphendula. Ngithe hi phela yabo.
So uye wamthena down that day eAuckland Park?
No, yabo. Into eyenzakala la athi yena ungaze kuqala before uKabelo and stuff yabo. Wangishela ufuna ngijone naye. Ayi manje mina nami Kellogg's guys akimbathi yabo.
Yeah.
Kinthonyane njalo.
So wena le Chef Swenko nelijola? Bika when you were booty call that day.
Besjola.
Benjola.
Yeah.
So that's why ungakhona ngifaka uKellogg's or Kellogg's vela ngifuni ngifuna. Okay. Yazi uKabelo bekalapho kuleso studio.
Hayi.
Serious. Bekalapho kuleso studio a few weeks ago. I sine interview naye. It's gonna be on the website this coming week. That's how I know you.
Utheni uKabelo guys?
Nothing bad. Nothing bad. Oh, calling the bad in the okay, yeah, there's nothing bad I shit. Yeah, shit nje. Because tuqala nindaba yaseAuckland Park. Ngithola yeah ukuthi the same thing you usitshela yona naye washo the same thing ngithola ukuthi kwayenzakalani yeah. Bese kahambile ngithi uye wahamba.
Mangeni.
Yena uKabelo. Uyatsamaya?
Yebo wami kuqala.
Oh, kwena utsamayelini. Okay. Okay, no. Now let's drop that. Ne, asifuna ukukwatisa abantu. Bazoze baposte ngathi. Yeah, bazoze baposte ngathi. Sifuna ukukwatisa abantu. Kellogg's mina ngiyafrostana nje yami. Uzwila khuluma ngamina ne. Asime oringile nje mina ngiyafrostana ntana yami. You doing you the best. Intwana sekasi ukhuphula ikasi K1 Spile and Job intwana yami. Konje thing le line yakhe makayiva athi awuyivale lapho yeah usho kanjani uthi awuyivale lapho yeah ntana mina ngiyakufrustana mina okay Okay, uthe wena akwazi uthole like ama-bad remarks and comments ne akwazi uwathole, so uya-interacta nama-followers wakho, uyakhuluma nabo, do you
Yeah,
reply to
uyakhuluma
comments?
nabo.
Nice. Okay. I think I've asked you most of the questions and compile for now. Do you have anything to add? And so like, just give them, or Konmuntu, you wanna say shout out to Mhlawumbe?
Yeah, shout out to Low Bass DJ guys. I don't know Shaina. Giddy best DJ.
Kilo Best DJ.
Yes.
Kintwane Nyani Shapanam.
Shapanam.
He's a freestyler or producer or both?
Skidong, producer.
Producer.
Yes.
Nice. Was it TK?
No, uhlala eLimpopo mara uzorelocate aze ngapha.
Uhlala eLimpopo.
Yes.
Oh, nice. Okay. My producer has a question.
Yeah, now I ask, how do you stay ahead of your peers or competitors? I'm not even sure whether you have a competitor, but how to make sure that ubuhle among some influencers, nama MCs, uba yi the best of the best.
Oqala mina kunomuntu engikhompitha naye yabo. Mara bakhona abakhompitha naye yabo. Yeah. Another thing guys, one thing about me, mina nginandaba nokuthi abantu bathini lo. It's not like uyangiphakela or ngithengela izinto zokugeza, impahla or what. Anginandaba yabo. Yeah. So nje
So ngizokubuza i-question eyothi and personal ne. Akaze walisaphaza or waguca ngamadolo wavula izipho for a gig? No, you've never.
Do they do that? Ama influencers avula amazip for gigs.
Yeah. I think abo PDD bapaya Joe. I'm sorry, bapaya abo PDD. So I think sometimes you find Uti Uked is looking for a gig and then the promoter of some event would say, oh, Nyashengaga, Angusigise, and then I'll give you this opportunity because there's ban futhi ofuna le gig. And then I got against the when usaphaza ngofuna. Oh, usaphaza ngomshade kwe.
Yeah.
And also, who is that influencer who is doing it for you? Like, apart from ukuba namakwali, even if how fan or how follow, like, but you think about this girl or this boy on a bright future when it comes to being an influencer or content high. That me bad. Yeah, one influencer you can say, that kid is doing the most.
Yeah.
Mavest. Yeah.
Mavest. No, Wabupi.
Was this what?
I've heard the name, I don't know the owner.
Mavest. Yeah, freestyler, uyacula. Yeah, Shaina. Ayeshe. Yabona yena.
Big up to Mavest. Yeah, big up to Mavest. I was on CD side.
You?
Okay. There's a question that I wanted to ask you, ne? Like, what's the most memorable moment maybe with one of your followers or one of, let's say you were on stage, moment? What's the highlight of your Muslims work?
There was this event in 6 September. Yeah.
This September.
Yeah.
Gobi.
Latina sound.
Okay.
Yeah. Kokadimos. Yeah. When the event, so when they get love. Okay. Yo, masifika ukuyabona ufike man ayakakagcwali bese ngilahla nethemba ngithi ngiyahamba. Yeah. Then hakufika la, okay. Hayi saphola yabo. Bengidlala ngo-10. Yeah. Washapa 10 ke bangibiza vele bathini ke ngoba ngabe ngigibela babe bahlanyile ke abantu yabo. Yeah.
So that was your best moment.
Yeah.
Nice.
Man. It was nice.
It makes you wanna go on.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know that feeling, Shemio. I know that feeling.
and you have a tag like how can I go staging king utumeng ka yona ka witch like how
line yakho
phela
nje,
nje utsima
line.
hey once ngasho le I broke the ice and I'm gone.
And wonke umuntu ungazi ngale line vele.
It's your girl, Hot Lady, the MC.
Yeah.
Hotelile.
Hot lady.
Oh, hotel, sorry.
So what happens my phela le trend sekungene enye ke. Let's say sendiza angithi ziyachinja lento zethu.
Into zenu.
Ziyachinja lento zabo lezi.
Yeah.
What happens ke mase kuphela yabo hot.
I mean, I'm a hot lady.
Uhlezi hot lady vele.
Yeah, I'm she's.
Okay. That's nice. Do you have any tattoos on your body? Would you like to have one?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, khale tattoo.
Yeah, yes.
Funipalo go deep ala. Eh?
Yeah, no, Bishop.
No matter what Coco. No cook phela. Do you know that you're gonna grow old?
Ngimile lokho labo ubona ukuthi vele ugogo feel ayi. Ayi. Yeah.
Eh.
Ngizobona ugogo.
So uyayifuna le bhalo ukuthi go deep.
Ngiyayifuna.
And then ubaba sizofila kanjani yena ngokubhala.
Angithi ngibhalele.
Oh ukuthi yena go deep.
Yes.
Ngethanda sex ne.
Yo.
Uyithanda. Yena ithanda wena.
Yeah,
Bheka she's biting her nails. Okay. Please give us all your social media handles. Talk to the wires lapha eCameroon. Tell them ukuthi bazokuthola phi ama promoters when they want to book you. Where can they get you? How can they get hold of you?
Guys, Hot Lady Buhle on Facebook. Then TikTok no one bunch.
Hot Lady Buhle.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. On TikTok. Yeah, on TikTok, Hot Lady Buhle. Yeah, on IG, it's Pretty Buhle.
Pretty Buhle. On IG.
Yeah. Where do you see yourself in 3, 5, and 10 years? Like break it down in ages to say at least complete matric.
Yeah, in 3 years, she already completed matric. Yeah.
I want to matric, guys. I'm not scared now. From Shiloh,
Lawyer. HIV.
Yeah.
Any tattoo by the good.
But lawyer, so university then. I'm thinking of taking a gap year, ngizishayela imali yabo.
Okay.
Yeah, then mase ngiya lengazi ukuthi angiphethe lonke yabo. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Kitty bestie fam.
What's those things like? Abayabo adzira, abayabo. King
Manje manje khona trend abathi asamachichi amachwichwi. It's just the slang nyana.
Like who create this thing?
I don't know, Joe. I think once it's trending, everyone just climbs on the wagon.
Like anyone can just create theirs and then Lena can just do some.
Yeah, you can do some crazy shit.
Yeah. What I mean is, how you? I'm like you. Everybody's like you.
What's it again? You and about you.
I think you.
I think you.
Meaning Cabanese.
Then everyone just climbs on it. I'm telling you, it's a trend. On Facebook. Guys,
do you love your comedy?
Comedy, yeah.
Yeah, you do. Who's your favorite?
Skumba.
One of the most hilarious amalwana bakhe that you have engqondweni eke wayisho joke uyazi bengani.
Shuthi ne yabona ngithi vele oloyenza ama wheelchair ngithi.
Oh yeah.
So khona lesikolo bekaye kuso yabo abantu
aba special. Yeah.
So afika lapha okay abanye vele bazothola ama wheelchair. Uthi sikhuma mina into bengizile lapho kuletha ama wheelchair ngihambe. Hayi ke mangifika lapha bakhipha abantwana emaklasini bayise assembly. Hayibo. Bacula omunye amuza nokuthi uthini. Okay. Yeah, no. Then I'll show you ukuthi hayi. Tobe ngizile ukuthi ama wheelchair kuphela.
Okay.
Yo.
Asikhumbu uyazibhetela nemnyokazi ke yo.
Shame.
Sekenza ama-jokes ngabo manje labantwana.
You are shame.
So he's your favorite comedian,
Yeah.
babe? Nice.
Okay. Maybe also wanted to ask if you are not like how we influencer, how we MC and stuff, what other career paths, and apart from also being a lawyer, king and or only good go on apart from being in the entertainment space?
Debate.
Oh.
Mina ngizophilisa mina.
And I want to pick Sunday over Manga.
They like raising their voice. Debate.
Guys.
Yeah, so when you do your research.
Yeah.
So what's one thing a trend I imagine that caught your attention besides G-Machine?
Before Flamin' Quebec.
T-shirt Arabian.
Yeah, the T-shirt Arabian.
What's that?
You want to tell the story?
Okay, let me tell you.
Yeah, please.
I think baby was in Nigeria. What happened about T-shirt? So what's he? My figure la payani. Unchita. Angazi waqala wa-actor. Bahamba for shopping yabo. Then spend about 16,000 somewhere.
Yeah, which is like $1 million.
Yeah,
that side.
Yeah. Then too short. Imagine into na yakhe ngizokubonisa ukuthi abheka manje so wrong manje yabo. Yeah. Ayi too short azama ukukhuluma naye yabo. Hayi angamameli. Too short amthole ekamereni vela khala yabo. Qala ukuthukana ne-producer yakhe wena wangilawyer. Hey, what ashapa live then. Yabo.
Oh, that's when everything came out.
Yes, too short. Angazi behamba nabo bani. Nale DJ yakhe ka G-Machine yabo.
Yeah.
Bamshiya lapha eNigeria yabo because lo DJ lo wakhe uyile wambuza ukuthi hayibo okay now if ufuna ukuya endlini kini vele ngakubhukhela iflight yabo fuck cheleta hawo.
Yeah, so that's how they left it.
Yes.
Okay.
And then bamshiya ke mamshiya wayenzilani
wasipila amaphi
ayisekana kuhamba amanga manje
amanga vele
because maphuma kusoka ngapha
bathi mntana kalime crazy asoka lime crazy
bathu
hey wena bathi there's this boy wama dreadlocks bani ex-dab
yes
but apparently Maporisa is sleeping with this guy's girlfriend. Allegedly, those are all allegations there. Yeah, sizwe kuma video nanizwile waya. Yeah, it's not from us. Sikhuluma into esizwile nathi. Yabo. So we don't know whether it's true or not.
So
mara t-shirt yeah. Usikhathi uthenge ID.
Umavuma bela phume kule khaya. Mabahambe.
Bathini bona? Uthangeke.
Bathi wena uyifonela.
Bathi fonela yena.
Oh guys.
Yo. Makaphume yena. Bese uthini yena makaziphendulela
uthangeke
hey guys
yeah ne
yo
uthini ukarabo yena
hey
yeah I think we should wrap it up. Wires, you've heard our social media handles wakhe promoters. She's on the market not for sex but for work. She wants to work. She's young. She's from school. She's still building her brand. Uzibiza Hot Lady Buhle on Facebook. On IG, she's Pretty Buhle. On TikTok, she's Hot Lady Buhle. Please follow her, like her videos, and then check out our YouTube channel, which is Wire TV. Please subscribe so that you get a notification when this show is on. Yeah, is there anything else you want to say? Any shout outs? Any more shout outs? Say hi to your mom, your dad, or whoever.
Shout out to my mom. Yeah, no, keep a smile away. Keep it festive.
And also your heart message of motivation, but it's all motivate or to young people out there.
Yeah, what can
You
you
know,
say?
we have young people who are killing themselves, taking their lives because however
I was a
Jordan, the latest Jordan, ne?
I got put you. I got put you. I got committee.
And
No.
yeah, you know, okay, that your message, but also that's very important. King cause you know very close to your heart. For instance, me is mental health, the issues of mental health, ne? And other people will be the issues of substance abuse, teenage pregnancy, stuff. When I can only close copilung how that you feel, given a chance, Okaba ambassador yeah, this cause or project.
Good question, man.
Sure.
Hey guys, laba abantu bayazibulala ngaphandle nani ama-suicide yabo. Yeah. So mina ish inkinga bani okay ngavula i-therapy session yabo mara inkinga ish ngiyahlekana yabo mara ngiyakwazi ukuba serious yabo. So uzongitshela inkinga zakho mara mangibona ukuthi ayiseserious yabo. Yeah.
So mental health actually, so the issues of mental health. Ne?
Yes, yabo ngizami vele ukuthi abheka. Suicide ngikukusizana kusabo because ukushona kwakho sakungaba sakhohlwa siyaphuza yabo.
Ne? How is support from parents generally in terms of everything we eat? But strict or they just go like, girl, follow your dreams, hamba dom.
Yeah, umama mshem uyabelieve lalimi yabo.
Mama.
Abantu bakhuluma ngabo mama. Omunye na last week wonke ama interviews everyone is like my mom. Big shout out to my mom. Puka interview. Uzokwata le.
Is he around?
If you're uncomfortable, you don't have to share.
Okay, may his soul rest in peace, man. We sorry to hear that. Were you still around when he passed? Oh, so you don't really know him now. Yeah. Okay. Step dead niya, no mama zanga sa.
Step obvious.
Oh, okay. Thanks, step dead.
Yeah.
He's been good to you.
No, sure njalo yabo. Like to be honest, yabo like I don't see yabo. Amanzi ne-oil.
I don't see Fandi one.
I don't.
You don't stand for mama. He's not a good guy.
Can I live very reason?
Oh, you have your own reasons. Yeah. What's the top reason?
Nagiwagati batho abusive.
Oh, physically.
Yes.
Oh, unesandla.
Bekane.
Oh, and then he stopped. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's good that he stopped. Must wait. One guy second chance. Sisi na grudge now.
And then zombuyela now.
I win.
Yeah. Yeah, so I don't. So I need like khuluma ngayo. Okay, enough.
So what's the most money you blew in one weekend?
1 weekend?
Yeah, Maluke wayidla nje wathi ngingayidla imali wayibhubhula nje. What's the most? 7K.
Flash guys.
Nama Hennes.
You are my hen, obvious. Yabo.
Yes.
Yeah.
Money from the gig, or was it money you were saving, or was it?
Imali bengisave enye from my mom, enye yamagig yabo. Yeah.
How much do you charge?
Oh. That depends ukuthi event or fill up yabo. Yeah.
And then like average you go below 2K. I charge below 2K, but every time I go charge below 2K, just know how to happy. I will give you quality job, but angijabulanga.
Obvious, mangizok charge below 2K ngine-riders. Yes. So obvious, mangifuna iheni mele libe khona. Yabo.
Oh, so on top of that 2K, mele win ama drinks for you and your friends.
Yes.
Well, who's the youngest amongst your crew? How old is the youngest? Who? How old is the youngest?
I'm the youngest.
You're the youngest?
Yeah, I'm the youngest. Makangeke kusho yabo.
Kuba ngathi leader. Are you the
I'm the leader, baba.
Okay. Why? Is it because she's girl?
I'm so cheese girl.
Oh.
I mean, I'm his bolelish.
Okay. Yeah, I think thank you for your time, man. Thank you for blessing us with your presence. Oh, it was very lovely to have you, man, here in studio. Uyabona ukhanyisile, ufike wakhanyisa vele na ngobuhle bakho. Thank you so much for blessing us with your presence. And do you think we might have a second session? Maybe next year, sikhulume ngo-December. Yeah. Nizwile Mawayas. She's coming back next year azokhuluma about her festive season. Ukuthi uphasile or akaphasanga futhi. We want to know that. Uze ne-report ne? Yeah, uze ne-report when you come for your second session. Thank you so much, man, for blessing us with your presence. Wires, as we wrap up the show, please again subscribe and like our videos that are already on our podcast. There's a new show that's coming on We Podcast that's gonna be uploaded probably today or tomorrow latest. It's a beautiful show. You'll see the first episode is just on par. And then please like and subscribe so that you get a notification when it comes in. From me to you and from my producer to you guys, this is Shenaniken. Cheers. See you guys next time. Away. Ibale lapho.